Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today we'll take another look into the charts. First off, make sure to subscribe. Some friends of mine are starting to short the S&P 500 and I can see why. It's starting to look weak over here. Takes a lot of effort to make these new highs over here, it seems. And it's basically consolidating, grinding up a little bit, and I can see it breaking down. Nasdaq, however, is looking very, very strong over here. The Dixie is as well. Let's take a look at the Dixie over here. And yeah, that looks kind of strong. Equal highs over here and higher lows. I'm expecting the Dixie to go at least to this range over here. Not something we would like to see. On Wednesday, there is a Fed meeting. Paul Jones said it was very important. If they continue like this, he's buying everything he can. Bitcoin, gold, whatever. He's gonna hedge against inflation. Bitcoin right now doing a retest of this high over here, was the range we traded in yesterday as well. We are up a lot, but I mean, fundings and stuff is still very neutral. Still a lot of stuff to the upside. I mean, things like this is where you need to be cautious. Things like this is where you need to be kind of greedy. You know, like if it's like this, you know, you gotta be careful. Dumps are coming. They're gonna shake you out. But right now, not yet. Everything's looking good. Looking for continuation. If this starts going massively positive, you gotta start watching out. How are the funding rates and predicted funding rates behaving? Let's refresh it real quick. And I mean, BitMEX predicted is even negative, Bybit is flat. So people are not really shorting it, or I mean longing it at the top. It's kind of equal. So that is extremely, extremely good. How is the open interest behaving? I haven't looked at it yesterday. Let's take a look at the hourly. How is the open interest? And the open interest is grinding down, or is coming up. We just had this 1 hour, we had a big dump in open interest. I think retail pumped in some high leverage longs, and that is okay. We shake them out. That is totally fine. A lot of people talk about, yeah, but 40k was not the resistance. This is the big resistance, and yeah, that is the big resistance as well. You can see that level here as well. For me, it was 40k. I found very important because that's a clear higher high compared to this one. We had a higher high compared to this one already, so that's very good. Next one to break is this one, of course, and this one, basically 42k. And I think, you know, we do not have a lot of resistance from over here till all the way to 47. So that is extremely good. Leo is good, but I need Ethereum over here. Let me take a look. Ethereum broke out of this one, which is very good. Resistance right now for Ethereum, I mean, they touched it right here, basically 2600. Next big one for Ethereum is basically 2900 over here. That is the target if you're looking for a breakout for Ethereum over here. That's kind of equal to the 40k range to Bitcoin, I would say, the last couple of weeks. However, Ethereum BTC makes a little bit of a pop-up over here, made equal lows, makes a pop over here. So looks like a good clean break to me. Trendline break. Let's take a look. Something like this. Nah, the starting point is not good. Like this. Nice. Reversal doji at the bottom and some good power. I mean, that is looking good for Ethereum. Resistance right now for Ethereum over here, this level. Let's pop one over there. That's the level of resistance. Doge grinding up, looking good. Doge BTC showing some life as well. Need some Elon tweets to get it going. Probably could be a great entry. AAVE. I wasn't really looking for AAVE in yesterday's video. I was looking at Bitcoin, but AAVE did manage to make quite a pop from this low over here. Right now, it's just copying Bitcoin's behavior. Let's take a look at AAVE BTC. Still kind of weak. They need to crack this one over here, this low. And they're not doing it right now. So be careful with AAVE. AAVE, I do not like in AAVE BTC this trend line. Leo showing power, perfectly fine. How is the fear and greed index? Let me. They're still fearful. But I mean, I can sense some greed as well already. Hard one to call. And that is about it. Expecting this was the retest. Can also go a little bit lower. We're still bullish if we retest this high, I would say. And that is around 38k. Would all still be bullish, would still be higher lows. Everything is broken and we're going down and we're sinking the ship, everything, if you go below 35. But I don't see that happening. I'm expecting support here. We just made it. Or we go to 38 and bounce from there. And I would say from 42 till today's high, you know, this area over here till 47 is basically, will go quick. Will go very quick. And that is about it for today. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I see you guys again tomorrow.